Hi, this is Zach Anderson, and in this video I will be going over problem number 5, which is the final problem in the final exam coding set. Per usual, let's begin by defining the problem. So we see here we are given the following superclass in which we should not modify. We are to write a class that implements the specifications below. Do not override any methods of container. Okay, so we have this, so we will just copy this into the code and go from there. And then we have some more tester code that we can do at the end to see if everything works correctly. Given that, let's head over to the code. Here we have the container class, which is all the code we should not modify, but that will set us up for everything else. So we move down here to what we are supposed to do. So we have our function defined here of remove, passes in two parameters, self and e, and assumes e is hashable and then removes e from self. So to do this, we simply use a try except. So we use this try method here that will attempt to remove e using the pop method. So if e exists, it is removed. Otherwise, it is going to raise an error. And this except statement here is going to catch the exceptions and it's going to print a message. So likely when e is like not a key in the vowels, that's when it's going to print this. And it'll just give this message of this value is not in the container keys. Then we're going to move down to this next function, which is called isIn. Passes in two parameters of self and e. So assumes e is hashable, returns true if e has been inserted in self and not subsequently removed, and then false otherwise. So we're going to use an if statement to check whether e exists as a key in vowels. And if e in self.vowels.keys, so if it does exist, it's going to return true. Else, we're going to use this statement if e does not exist in vowels, which is going to return false. So given the tester code that we were given, we should see that this runs perfectly. So this value is not in container keys, and then 4.2. Awesome. So if we follow this progression of logic here, we will see that this is the correct answer. And then when we come down to here, we will see true, true, false. Once again, following the set of logic, we should end up on this. But just to double check it, we see that it should print 4.2, and then true, true, false, 4.2, true, true, false. Thank you for watching.